Welcome to Syncly. Today, we're diving into how you can take control of your schedule by organizing and managing your events seamlessly with Syncly. Let's start with the events section. Syncly allows you to create, categorize, and manage all your important events in one place. Whether it's meetings, deadlines, or personal commitments, everything is organized for quick access. Adding details to your events is straightforward with Syncly. Input the event title, contact details like email and phone number, and even include important links. This ensures that all essential information is readily available when you need it. One of the most powerful features in Syncly is the ability to link your events directly to specific projects and tasks. This means your events are always connected to the relevant work, keeping you organized and on track. To ensure you never miss an event, Syncly lets you set custom reminders. Review your event settings, set your notifications, and rest easy knowing that Syncly will keep you on schedule. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, hit the like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more Syncly tips. See you in the next video.